how to connect Teespring to Discord. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can connect your Teespring account to your Discord account. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Teespring account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, by the left side of the screen, you will see a menu, right, showcasing home, upgrades, integrations, analytics, listing, then stores. Click on stores. Once you click on stores, you'll be taken to your stores page. Now, on this page, you'll see your edit store, you'll see domains, etc. Scroll down until you see social profile, okay? Then you'll see add account profile. Click on the plus icon. Once you click on the plus icon, a box will be displayed. Once this box is displayed, you will see select profile, right? Just click on the arrow and then select Discord. Once you select Discord, you'll be asked to input your profile URL here. Input it in and then click on add. And once you click on add, Discord will be added and connected to your Teespring account automatically. And then your profile URL can be gotten by copying it from your application or from the Discord site. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.